Hey everybody, this is Shay with Chalkin' with Shay. Got lots of projects to do today, lots and lots. Hi Angel. Okay, I am just sharing this to my customer group and then we'll get started. If you're not in my customer group, you want to make sure you join that, and I have the link at the top of this this live. Okay. All right, so I have actually more than three projects. We're going to be doing some kitchen towels, some pot holders, and a pillow. So the first thing that I wanted to do, I had made this last week and I wasn't totally happy with it, just because I think I was supposed to put a layer of white in here. So on the back side of this pillow, I'm going to try it the right way. Hopefully that's the right way. So we're going to get started with that, and then while that's drying, I'll be working on the other things. And then hopefully we can finish this one today. Okay, so I'm just taking the sticky mat and I'm flipping it around to the back side. The sticky mat holds the pillow in place so that you can ink on it. Uh-oh. My transfers fell. Hang on a minute, I gotta climb under my table. Okay. Alrighty. Let's make sure it's right side up. Okay, we're ready to get started. So, we're going to use black ink for the Let's Get part, and then white for the cozy part. It feels like a weekend to me. And it felt like a weekend yesterday too. Like a Friday night. That's how it feels to me. Okay, we're ready to go. Oh, actually we're using white for the cozy part. And I'm running low on white. Okay, so I'm going to use a small squeegee. Gosh, I hope I don't run out of ink before I'm done with all my projects tonight. You want to make sure you saturate it. This ink is a little thicker than a lot of the inks, so it seems to be taking up a little more ink than most of them do. I'm just worried I'm going to run low. I am coming on a little early tonight. My husband's wanting to go out and do dinner somewhere, so I figure best to get the live done before he comes home. I'm really running low. Almost done. You able to see okay? We're almost ready for the big reveal. Okay, we're done. Okay, that turned out really, really good. So the next step is we're going to do this layer again with black and hang on one second. With the buffalo plaid. But that needs to dry. Oh, I keep spilling things. And then I'm going to have to wash that transfer in between too. Okay, so let's do the let's get cozy part. We're going to do this in black. So this one's going on a lot easier than that white for some reason. So Angel, do you like to craft a lot? Or are you new to the crafting thing? And if you do craft, what is your favorite method of crafting? What do you typically do? Okay, I'm gonna put that squeegee aside for now. Here we go, that turned out good too. Okay, so I'm gonna put this aside for now. Hi Priscilla. This is what it looks like right now, and don't forget we're gonna do the black buffalo plaid on top of that once this dries. So I'm gonna just put that aside for now. Okay. So now, what I want to work on next is we have pot holders. We've got some pot holders and kitchen towels. These really cute gingham kitchen towels. So you've been seeing the Chalk Couture for a couple months and you're really interested. Well, that's awesome. So we'll get you going on that. Okay, so tonight I'm going to do, well, I'm going to take these out. So we have a fun little bunch of towels here. And I'm going to do red and black. And I'm going to put the rest of these aside because what I'm going to do is I'm going to make up 2 of them. And then I'm going to let people choose the design and the color that they want when they go to buy these. I need a sticky mat. Okay. Let's do the red one first. I got the towels from Amazon. Okay, so basically with the towel, what you want to do is get that design smack dab in the middle because you're going to fold it into thirds. Hi, Renee. Renee, are you back from your cruise? Okay, so I can see where this was folded into thirds, and so that's what I want to keep here. So I'm missing the design I was going to use. Here it is. No, that's not it. Oh, here it is. Okay. So, we've got 2 different designs that we're going to use. This first one is Kitchen's Closed. This heifer's had it. And the next one is Wicked Chickens Lay Deviled Eggs. Renee, did you have a good time? Okay, so I'm just going to lay this down near the bottom. And smack dab in the middle. Because when it gets folded and put across the, you know, the handle of the stove or wherever you're going to hang it, you want to be able to see it. You just hated coming back to the cold weather, I bet. But now you're back to reality. All good trips have to come to an end. I have to be extra careful around the edges so that I don't go off. I probably should have put some tape there to prevent me from going off. But I tend to wing it. Do you guys see how easy it is to chalk with your left hand if you're right-handed? That's how easy this crafting is. This heifer's had it. Okay. Yay! Look how cute that guy is. Okay, this turned out really good. So let me show it to you real quick. Give me some hearts if you like it. Renee, this is our ink, and it is washable. It's not going to come out in the wash because the ink is permanent. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and let this dry, and then we're going to do the next one. Okay, this next one is going to be red on black. Hi, Susan. Okay, the next one is Wicked Chickens Lay Deviled Eggs. I just love these colors so much. The gingham plaid is just my favorite. Okay, so I'm actually going to put some tape down. I think I have some here. Opening a new container. Okay. Hi, Alice. What kind of shelf do you have your pastes and inks on? That is a shelf that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's like one of those ladders that are really popular right now. And it just has shelves on it, and it's perfect for the chalking. Okay, red. Do you guys like the farm type of decor? Okay. Yay, so cute. Where are the towels from? Oh, these towels. Duh. I got these towels from Amazon. Okay, this guy's done. Super, super cute. Let me flip it around to show you. Do you like it? Okay, so I'm going to put this one aside. Okay, now we're going to work on these pot holders and towels. And these, I'm not quite sure exactly how I'm going to do it. Okay, I am done with the red. So I want to put this away. Let's see, Debbie. Hi, Debbie. You're not a farm fan for your home, but you've seen some neat stuff out there. You know, I was not either at all. But once I joined Couture and I started seeing all the massive, really cool designs out there, I started really liking it. And then on top of that, you know, whenever I saw it in the stores, I really loved it there. So now you know, there's some farm stuff that I would do for myself. But kind of like you know, I just did my bathroom. So I did my bathroom to look kind of farmy like. Since I was redoing it, I just went ahead and like the wood shelves and things like that. Just trying to. Now I got these towels from Hobby Lobby. Trying to decide what I want to do here because there's so many things to do. We have this one here that I just did the other day. We have You Are Loved, P.S. I Love You, and I Will Love You Till the Cows Come Home. Okay, so I think I'll put I Will Love You Till the Cows Come Home on the red one. I mean the towel. And then I'll figure out the rest later. And I'm not even sure if I'm going to have enough space for this, but we'll have to measure it out. Now this one is folded into fourths, which makes it harder to measure exactly in the middle. I'm going to have to go straight down that middle there. If any of you guys are local, let's see, you would love to buy a P.S. I Love You towel. A P.S. I Love You towel. If you're selling them. Your sister loves that movie. Oh, that was a good movie. So you're going to buy her something cute with that on it. So did you want the towel versus that frame in the P.S. I Love You? Because maybe what I can do is I can do P.S. I Love You going down like that. I can do that on this one, and then on the other one I can do You Are Loved, and then oh wait, I was going to do I Will Love You Till the Cows Come Home, wasn't I? Yeah, I think this looks good. I can do this. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Which one, Priscilla, would make a cute pillow? The P.S. I Love You? Yes, I have seen, Couture has made some of those in a pillow, and it looked really good. This is not very sticky. I'm going to put a Clorox wipe on it just to revive it a little bit. And I'm actually going to measure the distance. So that's about 6 inches. Six and a half, and that's about 7. So I will try to scooch it over just a touch. Nicole, did you and your girls get to do your sample? Okay. Oh, so cute. Turned out really good. It looks more square, or is it a rectangle? Yeah, this one is more square, I think. The other ones were rectangle. But this looks really good. I'm excited about this. This turned out really, really good. Whoops. Isn't that cute? So cute. All right, let's work on the P.S. I Love You next for Nicole. Okay, so this one's going to be a little trickier because we are working with, like, the transfer is, like, I'm going to have to manipulate the transfer to get it right. So you're doing it now because Caroline is trying to copy what you're doing on paper. You're going to give it to her in her Valentine's bag. So cute. Okay, so P.S. I Love You. Let's hope I can get this even for you, Nicole. Okay, so I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna start at the bottom with you. Let me do a little measuring. So I got 7 inches there and about 8.5 inches there. So we're off. That looks pretty good. Okay. There's the U part. Okay, so I'm going to use my hair dryer because I want to make sure this gets dry before I go to the next section. That's as good as that's gonna get. Okay, so now we're gonna center this. This is gonna be really cute. I love. And then PS. I think I'm going to put it over a little to the side. And I think that'll be cute versus on top of it. Cute. I turned it. Now I'm going to have to fill in the L a little bit more because that didn't quite come out. So I'm going to wait until this dries and then go over it again. Hi, Tony. Okay, so we're done with this towel. Now moving on to the pot holders. Oh, I forgot to show that to you. Wait. Can you see it okay? Isn't it cute? Oh, geez, I almost stepped on a cat. Can you guys see this cat right down here? Okay, now for the pot holders. So, true confession, I have never done pot holders before. And for that matter, I had never done kitchen towels before. I think they turned out awesome. This one's a little wet from something. Oh, from the Clorox wipe. Okay, so we have 2 sets of pot holders. I'm gonna put this on the mat. And since it's thicker, it's going to be harder to ink than the rest. I had this figured out. What was I going to do? I could do hugs and kisses. Ooh, I could do hugs and kisses and then XOXO underneath it. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so for this we need white. And this white is ticking me off because it's kind of thick and I'm running low. I really thought that I had ordered more. I don't know why I didn't. Get in there and grab it from the inside of the jar there. I really don't need a ton here. And I'm going to use a small squeegee. Okay, so let's get this centered. I am a scrapbooker, and so that really helps me with getting things spaced just by eyeballing it. I'm just really good at doing that. Not everybody has such good spatial abilities. But I've been fortunate that I'm good at that. This is a little bit of a challenge here, but I think I can do it. Definitely feels weird because it's not a completely flat surface. I'm having to hold it down as I go. It's good. I done good. Okay, so I'm gonna dry it a little bit. Now we're going to put the XOXO underneath it. It's kind of hard to see. Okay, there it is. What do you guys think? Oh, I got some ink on it. If you get that ink off right away, as soon as you make your boo-boo, you'll be okay. There it is. Very cute, right? Okay, so once I'm done with all of these and the ink has dried, I'm then going to put my heat press on it to press it in there real good. Oh shoot! I just got my little transfer all, I just threw it in the water bucket, so I can't use it now till I wash that off. Okay, well, I'm going to skip this one for now. We're going to move on to the next one. This is the last one that we're doing, so hang tight there, guys. So on this one, we're going to do a farm theme to go with those other towels. And this one, we're going to do Life is Better on the Farm. And then the other one is going to be an actual cute little farm. So I'm really going to like this one. This one is a little easier to space out. Okay, I'm gonna do the farm part first. So that I can move the top portion down a little bit. That turned out good. Now this one I'm going to scooch down just a little. Cute. Would be cute if XOXO was on one pot holder with hugs and kisses on another to give as a set. Yes, I agree. But since I already have it on the one, that's cute, but then I can do something else that's really cute on this one and I'll give those as a set. Okay, so last one, we're gonna make a farm. And you guys are only going to get to see one part of this because it's going to have to dry in between. So I'm going to try to get as much of this farm in as I can. We're not going to be able to get the silo. That's crooked. Okay. Tricky getting into the little crevices there. Okay, now I need to, whoops, I got it on me. This little part on the edge is attached to the silo, so I'm trying to just get that piece without getting the whole silo. All right, it looks good. So we have the cute little towels. The cute little cow towels with Life is Better on the Farm and the cute little barn. So now I have another piece to this barn. And actually I think that was supposed to go on first. Yep, I messed up. This was supposed to go on first. And then the part I just did was supposed to go on second because that was the outline. But I think it looks great as is. So I might go over it again because I was going to make this part black, but then I'm going to have to go over this again in white because probably, well, I don't know, this might turn out okay. I'll have to see. I'll play around with it. Okay, so guys, this is, so I still have this one to do yet, and I'm going to do, use that other transfer once it's done. So, or once it's dried and washed and all of that. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I wanted to remind all of you to make sure that you jump onto my VIP group because that's where I show all of my specials and discounts. We do have a couple of discounts and specials right now for January, but they are getting ready to expire, obviously, because January is almost over. I think we're almost sold out of the Creative Kickstart, so if you guys are interested in those, you better get them now because they are almost gone. In fact, they were almost gone last night, but I think they were able to find some more or something like that. So there's just a few of those left. So hop on to my VIP group, grab the link to my website, and go ahead and place those orders. Because the Creative Kickstarts, once they're gone, they're not bringing those transfers back at all. Thank you, Angel. I will have fun with him. Okay, my workshops. Make sure you guys, if you are interested in coming out to my workshop, if you live close to Cincinnati or Dayton, and you can come to that on January 31st, which is coming up, I think, like next week, a week from Friday. So there's just about a week left. Okay, well, thank you guys so much for joining me, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.